Hi guys, welcome to my creative project for public relations. This is a slideshow on public relations for the American citizen. So, okay. My public relations definition, I define public relations as a type of communication to bring the organization together with its public. To me, it's just a professional way of getting people on your side. So think of it as an election. The candidate is the organization, and the publics are the people who are potentially voting for them. Therefore, the candidate has their public relations team that creates propaganda in support of the candidate. My first principle is that public relations is values driven. An organization is motivated by their mission statements and what they say they stand for. So think of the election example again. The candidate always has a platform stating what they believe in and what they're fighting for. This is similar to what public relations professionals are trying to accomplish for their companies. My second principle is that public relations is a secret weapon. I feel that unless you've taken a class in public relations, you would never know the impact that public relations has on an organization's success. When you think of a political campaign, you also have to take into account the people working behind the scenes to make their candidate look the best to the public. And because of these people, you end up voting for them. My final public relations principle is that public relations would not thrive without media. Public relations would not have an outlet or a place to show off the organization without some form of media. Think of the election. You see candidates on television commercials, billboards, in the newspaper, and especially since Barack Obama on Twitter and social platforms. I can never imagine a congressman campaigning door to door these days. And without media, an organization cannot target specific publics. I hope that this was a good overview of public relations for the American citizen. And it doesn't matter if you're young or old or a new citizen or an old citizen, public relations is very pertinent to not only candidate campaigns, but also organizations as a whole. Thank you.